Hi, welcome to Cambridge Plus 2 Science Tutorial Nagar. Today we talk about second part video of nervous tissue. Okay, we are already talk about neuron. Now we talk about the types of neuron. Okay, the neuron as basically try to focus mind. We talking about the neuron as basically divisible into five types. The neuron is divisible into five types. Okay, depending upon their number of processes. Number of processes. There is two types of processes. One is called axon and next one is called dendron. There is basically depending upon the number of axon and dendron or number of cell processes, the neurons are basically five types. The first one we can call that multipolar neuron. Okay, try to focus mind. Multipolar neuron matlab, always axon is one, compulsory. Try see this figure. This is which one? Axon is one. It is the one process one. And try to guess, my dear. This is the which one? Second, and this is third. This is fourth. This is fifth, and this is sixth. Okay, that is basically in this neuron you can find out six number of process. Okay, try to guess, my dear. When we are getting which one more than two process, we can call that multipolar neuron. Okay, we can write that when a neuron contains one axon and many dendrons, we can call that multipolar neuron. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟିଏ ନ୍ୟୁରନ୍ ବା ସ୍ନାୟୁ ଗୋଟିଏ axon ସହିତ ଏକାଧିକ ଡେଣ୍ଡ୍ରନ୍ ରଖିଥିବ, we can call that multipolar neuron. Okay, try to guess, my dear. So this is and this is the figure. Multipolar neuron. Okay, try to guess, my dear. Now we talk about the second one, that is bipolar neuron. Okay, bi means two, polar means which one? Process. So total two process. Okay, first it must have one axon and the second one is one dendron. So you can write, when you can see this figure, one axon and one dendron. So total two process. Okay, so we can write that when a neuron contains one axon and one dendron, then we call that, okay, which polar neuron? Bipolar neuron. Okay, then we call bipolar neuron. Okay, so this one's clear. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ନାୟୁ, okay, which one? ଗୋଟେ axon ଏବଂ ଗୋଟେ dendron ରଖିଥିବ, we can call that bipolar neuron. And this type of neuron, as always this question is asked in the exam, okay, it is found in the retina of eye. Bipolar neuron is basically found in the retina of eye. Clear? Try to focus, my dear. Now we talk about the next things. Okay, the next one is unipolar neuron. Okay, simple. Uni means one, polar means process. Okay, try to guess, man. You can understand which one easily. If there is one process, that must be axon. You can see this figure. Unipolar, here only how many axon is present? One axon. And without dendron. That means there is no dendron. Or we can call that without dendron. Okay, so try to guess, my dear. Very interestingly, when a neuron contains only one axon. Okay, and without dendron. Okay, without dendron, then we can call that unipolar neuron. Clear? Try to guess, my dear. So this is first multipolar neuron, second one is bipolar neuron, third one is unipolar neuron. When the neuron contains only one axon and without dendron. This figure is this. Yes. And try to guess, my dear, the next one. The next neurons. I already told that this is 5 times. It is already I completed 3 times. The next one. The fourth one we can call that non-polar neuron. Or we can call that apolar. Non-polar neuron or apolar neuron. Non matlab no, polar matlab process. A means you know, A means which one? Absent. Polar matlab process. In this type, process is absent. Okay, or process is absent or there is no process. Okay, this type of neuron are basically found in case of phylum Coelenterata. You know Hydra? Example Hydra. That's basically these types of which neurons are basically found in phylum which data Coelenterata, that is Hydra. Okay, try to guess minded here. In this type, this is the cyton. Okay, this is the example of a non-polar neuron or apolar neuron, right? This is the cyton. From the cyton, a number of processes are coming out. This one a process, this one process, this one process, this one process. Okay, try to guess minded. It brings the information to the cyton. This one also bring, this one also bring, this one also bring, this one also bring. Okay, that means this is a dendron, this is a dendron, this is a dendron, this is a dendron, and this is a dendron. Apart from that, this process also takes away the information. Try to guess, my dear. This is, that means it is a axon, this is a axon, this is a axon, this is a axon, and this is a axon. So this process is not differentiated into axon. Play which one? बुझे पेस्टा करो. ये information आणुची तेणु हम dendron calculate करूची. ये पुनी information नौची तेणु which one axon calculate तेणु एटा जानी परने एटा dendron ना axon. We are unable to differentiate it. The processes are dendrons or axons. For that reason, we can call that non-polar neuron. Okay. The cyton contains, easily the cyton contains a number of processes. The cyton contains a number of processes. Okay, which are not differentiated into, which are not differentiated into axon or dendron. Jaha jana paduni axon and dendron. For that reason, we can call that non-polar neuron or apolar neuron. Okay, when the cyton contains a number of processes but which are not differentiated into dendron or axon, we can call that non-polar neuron. These are found in case of phylum Coelenterata or Hydra. Clear? Try to guess, my dear. The next one and the final one we can call that pseudo-unipolar neuron. Pseudo-unipolar neuron. Pseudo means false. Unipolar matlab, try to guess, my dear, which one? Single. Uni matlab one or single, we can call that one. Polar matlab process. That means in false or mixed array, it is unipolar. Matlab one process. Okay, try to understand. See the figure. This is, you know which one. This is cyton. Okay, try to guess, my dear, from the cyton how many processes coming out? One process, which is differentiated into, bifurcated into how many parts? 2 parts. देखो पहले साइटन रु गोटिए प्रोसेस आसी दुईटा फाड़ी है कि दुई फाड़ हो जाए से भितरु जणे इनफॉरमेशन निये साइटन को जे इनफॉरमेशन निये साइटन को तमे कोन डाकिबा व्हिच वन डेंड्रन जे साइटन रु इनफॉरमेशन आणे आमे देखो कोन डाकिबा मन पके दियो वी कैन कॉल दैट एक्सन ताले ट्राई टू गेस माय डियर आमे सदा एक्सन को एक कोन होचे डेंड्रन को दुई सो हाउ मेनी प्रोसेस 2 प्रोसेस তাহলে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইট ইজ এ হুইচ ওয়ান টু প্রসেস মানে হুইচ পোলার নিউরন বাইপোলার নিউরন কিন্তু ইফ ইউ সি দিস মাচ যদি আমি এতিকে দেখিবা তাহলে উই ক্যান কল দ্যাট ইউনিপোলার নিউরন যদি আমি এতিকে দেখিবা ট্রাই টু গেস মাইন্ড আমি জানি পারিবা এইঠু এতিকে জনা দেখিবা তাহলে এটাকে কোন দেখিবা হুইচ ওয়ান ইউনিপোলার বাট অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইট ইজ এ বাইপোলার নিউরন ওকে ট্রাই টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড বলে এতিকে যদি আমি দেখিবা বা এতিকে ভালো দেখিবা তাহলে আমি ভাবিবা ইউনিপোলার প্রকৃতরে এটা এক বাইপোলার নিউরন সো হুইচ ওয়ান মিছারে ইউনিপোলার সিউডো ইউনিপোলার or false unipolar. So try to focus my dear when a single process a single process arises from the neuron. A single process arises from the neuron which bifurcate into two parts. Which bifurcate into two parts. Okay, out of which one acts as axon and one acts as a dendron. Okay, so called pseudo unipolar neuron. Try to understand this. A single process arises. Gote process as a single process arises from the cyton. Okay, try to guess madam neuron likhi chalibo but out ke bhala bujhiya pai we can call it cyton. Which bifurcate jota phadi jaichi into two parts. Out of which one acts as dendron and which one another acts as axon. Actually okay, try to guess so called which one actually it is a bipolar neuron but falsely it is called unipolar neuron. So we can call that pseudo unipolar neuron. Clear? Try to understand. Actually it is which one a single process arises from the cyton which is bifurcated into two parts. One behaves as dendron, another behaves as axon. Okay, that means it is a which polar neuron bipolar neuron but gives the false idea of unipolar neuron, so we can call that pseudo unipolar neuron. प्रकृत रे गोटे bipolar neuron किंतु false idea दउची which one unipolar neuron रो सेठी पाई we can call that pseudo unipolar neuron. Clear? So these are the basic fundamental about which is so which one try to guess my dear which one types of neuron depending upon their number of process. Okay, basically 5 types. The first one is multipolar neuron, okay, containing many processes. Bipolar neuron containing two processes. Unipolar neuron containing only one axon. And which one? What is that? Non-polar neuron containing many processes, but which one they do not have which one particular axon or dendron. And pseudo unipolar neuron they have actually it is a bipolar neuron but which one looks like a unipolar neuron, so you can call that pseudo unipolar neuron. Clear? Try to get smarter. Now we talk about the next one. The neurons are again 3 types depending upon their function. Now we divide the neuron depending upon their function. Let us focus one by one we talk. Depending upon function, if we which one see the function, the neurons are of 3 types. Okay, neurons are of 3 types depending upon their functions. Right? See this. I want to make an image or figure. Let us focus. Okay, try. Okay, try to focus minded. You know, this is effector. Sorry, this is receptor. Okay, try to understand which one. This one, if you're talking about this one, this is called central in your view, your nervous system. Okay, and try to guess, my dear. This is called effector. Okay, try to guess, my dear. This is from this part. One neuron moves this. Okay, and try to guess, my dear. From this part, another neuron moves this. Okay, and try to guess, my dear. Very interesting. This much. In this part also, one neuron is present. Okay, let us focus. If we talking about this neuron, this is called afferent neuron. And if you are talking about this neuron, this is interneuron. Okay, and if you are talking about this is called efferent neuron. Okay, try to focus, my dear. These afferent neurons are otherwise called sensory neurons. Interneurons are otherwise called adjusters, and the efferent neurons are otherwise called motor neurons. Okay, see carefully. Try to focus, my dear. If you're talking about which one, the receptors. The receptors are maybe eye or ear, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, the central nervous system includes either brain or spinal cord. The effector may be muscle or gland. Okay, let us focus, my dear. So, we are talking about one. Okay, we are talking about the neurons are of three types depending upon their functions. Okay, the neurons are basically of three types. The first one we can call that afferent neuron. Okay, here you can find one. And try to guess, my dear. Second one we can call that adjuster interneuron. And the third one we can call that motor neuron or efferent neuron. See carefully. Okay, right? What is afferent neuron? They carry the information from the receptor to the central nervous system. Tiki bujho chesta kar pila mane. Edi gote masa kamodila. Try to guess, my dear. Masa which one kamodibara information. पहले मुझवान ब्रेन को गला पहले ब्रेन होची हमारा सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम जे नहीं की गला ताको हमें कहबा afferent neuron or sensory neuron. Okay, the neuron which one मसा कामडी बारे को रिसीव कला के रिसीव कला ना सेंस ऑर्गन से which one आई हे पारे ईयर हे पारे से नोज हे पारे से टंग हे पारे से स्किन हे पारे के रिसीव कला. ओके, से इंफॉर्मेशन को सेंसरी ऑर्गन रु बा रिसेप्टर रु जे हुजवान ब्रेन बा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को नेकी गला हमें ताको कहबा afferent neuron. मु ताला इजीली कहि पारि हुजवान ट्राई टू फोकस, माय डियर. afferent neuron a definition मु इजीली कहि पारि ट्राई टू फोकस, माय डियर. afferent neuron, the neuron which transmits information from receptor to central nervous system. You know, central nervous, you can call that CNS. Okay, try to guess, my next one. The neuron which transmits the information from receptor to central nervous system. The second point. Okay, it is also called sensory neuron. It is otherwise called sensory neuron. Okay, try to guess, my dear. Next one. The receptor may be eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about afferent neuron. This receptor may be already written. eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. Clear? Clear? Try to guess, my dear. Okay, now we are which one? Talk about, try to guess, my dear, efferent neuron. Now we talk about which one? Second one. That is called efferent neuron, right? What is efferent neuron? Anybody from your side? This one? Efferent neuron. Okay? The neuron carry information from central nervous system to effector. The neuron which carry information, जो न्यूरनटा इनफॉरमेशन कैरी करी थाए बा नहीं थाए सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम जेमिति कि ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड रु जोटी कि व्हिच वन इफेक्टर को जहा कि मस्कुलर ग्लैंड. The neuron, the English से कहले the neuron which carry information from central nervous system to effector. Okay, try to guess, my dear. Next one, it is otherwise called. It is otherwise called. Anybody? Motor neuron. ताको हमें आउटे सुंदर ना डाकी परिवा motor neuron. Okay, आउटे point लिखी परिवा the effector may be. Anybody? Muscle or दुई जन इफेक्ट देखि परिबे. Try to guess, my dear. प्रभाव देखि परिबे muscle or gland. Okay, बुझे पे स्टार्ट करो. Try to guess, my dear. Very interestingly this much. Okay, the परवर्ती point को पढ़ाया सिवा पहले final one, that is which one? Interneuron, the another type of neuron. Okay, try to focus, my dear. Next one, interneuron. Okay, try to focus, my which one? It connects. You know which one? This is afferent neuron. This is efferent neuron. That means it develops connection between afferent neuron and efferent neuron. So interneuron, it connects afferent neuron to motor neuron. Okay, it connects afferent neuron to motor neuron. Sorry, or you can call that efferent. Okay, again, same thing. Or you can call that it connects sensory neuron to motor neuron. Same thing. Clear? Okay, try to guess my next one. It is always present inside the central nervous system, either brain or spinal cord. It is found in brain or spinal cord. Okay, either in central nervous system, either brain or spinal cord. Okay, it is otherwise called adjuster. It is otherwise called adjuster. Clear? Try to focus, my dear. बुझे पेस्टा करो. बुझे what is that? What is that? मैं तुमको उदाहरण देई दिले. गोटे मसा टेका मुडला मो हाथ को मो आखी देखिला. ताले आखी is the whistler receptor. आखिरु किछि न्यूरॉन इंफॉर्मेशन नेले ब्रेन को. ताले आखिरु जो न्यूरॉन गुडा को ब्रेन को इंफॉर्मेशन नेले ताको हम डाकी परिबा which one? Sensory neuron or afferent neuron. ओके, ब्रेन भितरे किछि न्यूरॉन थांती. ओके, सेमानो कुहा जाए इंटरन्यूरन. ओके, ट्राई टू गेस, माय डियर. ब्रेन डिसाइड कला मसाटा को बाड़े दियो. ट्राई टू गेस, माय डियर. इमीडिएटली ट्राई टू गेस, माय डियर. पहले व्हिच वन? ब्रेन रु बा इंटरन्यूरन थारु इंफॉर्मेशन आसेला व्हिच वन? ए हातर मसल को बा हातर मसल को ताले एई बाटू पुनर्बार इंफॉर्मेशन आसला एठी जे नै कि गला ब्रेन रु नै कि गला ए हात को बा ए हातर मसल को ताले बाबे कहबा व्हिच न्यूरॉन? कहि दियो मोटर न्यूरॉन और इफरेंट न्यूरॉन. ओके, पहले देखि दियो इफेक्टर रे कि आसिला मसल हेई पारे, ग्लैंड हेई पारे. एठी मसल हेई पारे आ कुटी ग्लैंड भी हेई पारे. जे मसलटा को बाड़ी दियो. ताले ट्राई टू गेस, माय डियर. तीन जण न्यूरॉन सदाबेले काम करथांती. ट्राई टू गेस, माय डियर. पहले इंफॉर्मेशन रिसेप्टर थारु नला अफरेंट न्यूरॉन ब्रेन को नले स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को. व्हिच वन? ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड रे अछि इंटरन्यूरन द्वारा इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर होला मोटर न्यूरन को. मोटर न्यूरन द्वारा इफेक्टर को ट्रांसफर होला जोटा कि मसल और ग्लैंड. ओके, याको ही कहउतिले हमें व्हिच वन? ट्राई टू गेस, माय डियर. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली depending upon their, what is that? Anybody guys? Kahi salene already. Depending upon their function. Okay, try to guess, my dear. Now we talk about which one? The next one ku jiba pile mane try to guess my another one important one, that is called synapse. What is synapse? See here. What is synapse? देखिए पिला माने सुंदर भाव में कहबी what is synapse. Let us focus. The term synapse is given by Sherrington. There is a scientist who has given the term which one synapse. Okay, see this. এটা গোটে axon ର ending. Okay, তাহলে try to guess my dear, very interestingly ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେଲି which ending, axon ending. Okay, try to guess my dear, a dendron, yes, cytosol. Okay, try to guess my dear, very interesting this. Axon ending रा एटा synaptic nerve, एठी कोन अछि which transmitter, neurotransmitter, एठी कोन अछि which transmitter, neurotransmitter. Let us focus. ए जो junction ताको हमें कहबा synapse. Okay, try to focus on that term. Synapse is given by Sherrington. Okay, synapse is the, or it is the intercommunicational junction between two neurons. दीटा न्यूरॉन भितरे जो जंक्शन थाए which one intercommunication रा किछि इंफॉर्मेशन दिया नेबा पाई, किछि इंफॉर्मेशन दिया नेबा पाई, दबा नेबा पाई जो जंक्शन थाए, इट इज द इंटरकम्युनिकेशनल जंक्शन बिटवीन टू न्यूरॉन्स. दुईटा न्यूरॉन भितरे थिबा इंटरकम्युनिकेशनल जंक्शन को हमें कहिबा ट्राई टू फोकस द इंटरकम्युनिकेशनल जंक्शन बिटवीन टू न्यूरॉन्स, दैट इज axon ending of one neuron to axon ending of one neuron to dendron or cyton, dendron or cyton of next neuron. Okay, is called which one? Synapse. It is the intercommunicational junction. दुईटा न्यूरॉन भितरे किछि इंफॉर्मेशन दबानवा पाई जो जंक्शन है थाए, we can call that synapse. Okay, particularly कहले axon ending of one neuron to dendron or cyton of the next neuron बा परवर्ती न्यूरॉन. गोटिए न्यूरॉन रो axon एवं परवर्ती न्यूरॉन रो dendron बा cyton सहित जो जंक्शन है थाए ताको हमें कहबा synapse. Okay, the next one मो आउट के जिंस देखि पारिबी which one? The two neurons are not physically contact with each other. In synapse, the two neurons are not physically contact with each other. The two neurons are, देखो try to focus माने उभय को टच करी ना हंदी. There is no physical contact between the two neurons. There is no physical contact between the two neurons. In synapse, the two neurons are not physically contact with each other. That means there is a gap found, and that gap is called synaptic cleft. We can call that synaptic cleft. Okay, and its size is basically, try to guess my click on the next one. The gap between the two neurons in synapse. The gap between the two neurons in synapse is called, anybody? Synaptic cleft. The gap between the two neurons is called which cleft? Synaptic cleft. Okay, try to guess, my dear. In this type, the two neurons are not physically contact with each other. And you know, in this part, the neurotransmitters, matlab these molecules play important role in transfer of information. Okay, the next one, the neurotransmitters. Okay, এইটো ইনফরমেশন এইটো আসিব কেমিতি না বাই দা হেল্প অফ নিউরোট্রান্সমিটার এই নিউরোট্রান্সমিটার তাহলে এইটো রিলিজ হেকে এইটিকে আসিব তাহলে এইটিকে ইনফরমেশন পাস হ'ব তাহলে the neurotransmitters play important role in synaptic transmission. Okay, try to guess on at the synapse. The neurotransmitters play important role in synaptic transmission. Clear? So, what is synapse? Always one important question in 2.5 marks. The first, the term synapse is given by one scientist, Sherrington. It is the intercommunicational junction between how many neurons? Two neurons. That is axon ending of one neuron to dendron or cyton of the which neuron? Next neuron. Okay, the two neurons are not physically contact with each other, so there is a gap found, and that gap is called which cleft? Synaptic cleft. And the neurotransmitters play important role in transmission of which are or synaptic transmission or transmission of nerve impulse. Okay, at synapse re which one synaptic transmission pai by information transmission pai सबुठ important role को माने play करंती neurotransmitter जोटा को तुम्हें पढ़ी थिलो acetylcholine. ओके, एसिटिलकोलिन वाले न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर माने इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर रे बहुत सहायता करते हैं. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about synapse. Okay, this is all about your neuron. Okay, try to focus, my dear. Next one. Okay, now we talk about which one I have already told you. The neuron is the nervous tissue is made up of 4 types of cells. We are completed the neuron. Now we talk about the next one, that is neuroglial cell. Okay, the another type of cell found in nervous tissue, that is called neuroglial cell. Okay, let us focus one by one. Neuroglial cell. Okay, let us focus one by one. We are talking about what is a neuroglial cell. Okay, this neuroglial cell, it is a supporting cell. It is a which cell? Anybody guys? It is a supporting cell of which one? Of the which one? Nervous tissue. Of nervous tissue, and also helps in protects which one? It protects the which tissue? Nervous tissue. Okay, try to guess, we can call that neuroglial cell. Okay, it is of 4 types. The first one is called astrocyte. Astrocyte. Okay, it is of 4 types neuroglial cell. The next one is called oligodendrocyte. The third one is called microglial cell, and the fourth one is called Schwann cell. Okay, try to guess, my dear. Very interesting this much. Okay, the first one, the neuroglial cells are 4 types. The first one you can call that astrocyte. Okay, try to guess, my dear. These are basically present on the brain. These are present. These astrocytes are present on the brain. Okay, they do not allow the harmful substances from the blood to brain. Okay, try to focus my dear. Which one? Brain have which supply blood supply brain को बा प्रत्येक कोश को आमर which one blood supply जाइछि जदि कोनोसी which one poisonous substance बा harmful substance ओके आमर ब्रेन भीतर को पसिबा को चाहे ताले try to focus माइ ताको किए जगिबो try to focus my dear. Which one? Astrocyte. Okay, astrocyte do not allow the harmful substance okay from the which one entry. Okay, do not allow the harmful substance from the blood okay to the brain. Okay, entry of the do not allow the entry of the harmful substance from the blood to the brain. Okay, blood ru konosi poisonous substance ku amar brain ku jipa ku daba nahi, so called seithi pai taku kuha gala blood brain barrier. Blood और brain भितरे barrier है कि रहिला जगी कि रहिला. We can call that blood brain barrier. सच्चा वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आसे dash is known as dash cell is known as blood brain barrier. The answer is astrocyte. Okay, a type of neuroglial cell. Okay, try to focus my dear. Very interestingly, oligodendrocyte. So what is this? It is secretes the which sheath myelin sheath. तमे जानि छ myelin sheath को थर थाए which neuron medullated neuron ताले it secretes the myelin sheath of medullated neuron of central nervous system. हम सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम जो ब्रेन रे बा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड रे जो मेडुलेटेड न्यूरॉन अछि तार माइलिन शीथ को जे सिक्रेशन करे से होची ओलिगोडेंड्रोसाइट्स. Oligodendrocyte secretes the myelin sheath of medullated neuron of central nervous system. Brain और spinal cord रे थिबा medullated neuron रो myelin sheath को oligodendrocyte secretion करे थी. Okay, try to focus. 2 number आसेला. Try to focus my dear. Next one is called microglial cell. Okay, बुझे पे स्टार्ट करो पहले. These are micro means these are small cells. Small cells found in brain. Brain में मिलते हैं. These are small cells found in brain. And which one? And these are phagocytic in nature. एमाने phagocytic in nature ही थांती and engulf the pathogens. Pathogens. पहले which one body भीतर को पास which one sorry brain भीतर को जदि कोनोसी which one बैक्टीरिया वायरस पसी आसंती ताकू ये डायरेक्टली खाई दिए गिली दिए. Try to focus my dear. That is called which one? These are small cells छोटे छोटे सेल होती है found in the brain and these are phagocytic in nature and engulf the pathogens. जेमिति कि बैक्टीरिया which one virus रोग सृष्टिकारी जीवाणु मानकु एमान गिली दियन्ते एवं नष्ट कर दियन्ते. These are phagocytic in nature and engulf the genes pathogens. Okay, try to focus my dear. And the final one, Schwann cells. Okay, it is secretes the myelin sheath of medullated neuron of peripheral nervous system. आमर which one? प्रांतीय स्नायु मन पका केंद्रीय स्नायु रो माइलिन शीथ को के सिक्रेशन कला ओलिगोडेंड्रोसाइट. सेमिति स्वान सेल आ गोटे प्रकार सेल इट सिक्रेट्स द माइलिन शीथ ऑफ मेडुलेटेड न्यूरॉन ऑफ पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम. आमर प्रांतीय स्नायु बा पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम रे थिबा मेडुलेटेड न्यूरॉन रो माइलिन शीथ को के सिक्रेशन करे स्वान सेल. It secretes the myelin sheath of medullated neuron of peripheral nervous system. Okay, peripheral nervous system. Clear? So this is all about your neuroglial cells. Okay, neuroglial cell is the supporting cell, which is basically which one different into 4 types of cell: astrocyte, oligodendrocytes, microglial cell, and Schwann cell. Okay, the next one. Try to focus my way on the next part. Another type of cell found in nervous tissue, you know that? That name is neurosecretory cell. Okay, try to guess my next one. We can call that neurosecretory cell. Simple. It is a type of nerve cell. It is a type of which cell? Nerve cell, which secretes neuro hormones. एटा गोटे प्रकार न्यूरॉन बा नर्व सेल जहा की न्यूरो हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस करे. We can call that neurosecretory cell. Clear? Third type of cell of the nervous tissue is neurosecretory cell. Okay, it is a type of nerve cell or neuron which is modified for responsible for or which is responsible for secretion of the which hormone? Neurohormone. जे न्यूरो हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस करता है. Clear? Try to focus my dear. ता परवर्ती पॉइंट को आसिया पिला माने try to focus my next one. Ependymal cell. Okay, try to focus on is the fourth type of cell found in nervous tissue. It is the third type neurosecretory. Is which one? Ependymal cell. ठीक है, बुझिया पड़िबा. लास्ट वन एटा हमरा ब्रेन. ओके, एटा हमरा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. ओके, ट्राई टू गेस माइंड हम ब्रेन भितरे एमिति चारोटी फांका जगह अछि. ओके, try to guess my dear very interestingly. 1 2 3 4. Okay, try to guess my dear which one every चारोटी which one खाली जगह अछि ताको हमें कहि परिबा ventricles. समस्त को हमें कहबा ventricle याको कहंदी first ventricle, second ventricle, third ventricle and fourth ventricle. ओके, ट्राई टू गेस माय डियर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड मध्य गोटे कैनाल टे अछि ताको कहि परिबा सेंट्रल कैनाल. ओके, ट्राई टू गेस माय डियर इन केस ऑफ व्हिच वन? वर्टिब्रेट्स. ओके, ट्राई टू गेस माय डियर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली व्हिच वन इन केस ऑफ वर्टिब्रेट्स और chordates the nervous system is hollow form path है. ओके, ट्राई टू गेस माय डियर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली ब्रेन रे बुझस्टा करो व्हिच वन ब्रेन रे ए परि व्हिच वन चारोटी खाली जगह थाए ताको हमें समस्त को मिसे के हमें कहूचे वेंट्रिकल्स एवं स्पाइनल कॉर्ड रे बुझा पेस्टा करो व्हिच वन गोटे कैविटी थाए ता ना होचे सेंट्रल कैनाल. ओके, बुझटा करो ए वेंट्रिकल्स ऑफ द ब्रेन एंड सेंट्रल कैनाल ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. ये दिजन को मिसे देले we can call that neurocell. Okay, पहले cavity of the which one? Central nervous system. ताको हम कहबा which one? Neurocells. Okay, try to guess my dear. It is the type of cell. It is the type of cell which lines घेरी एक था which lines the try to guess my dear neurocells. Okay, try to guess my dear which one ये मुझे को वही neurocells दीवारी होता ventricles of the brain एवं central canal of the spinal cord. याको हमें कहना which one? Neurocell. ताले सेमती कह दोचे it is the type of cell which lines the neurocells, that is ventricles of brain and central canal of spinal cord. Okay, ependymal cell टा एमिति गोटे प्रकार सेल जहा ब्रेन रो वेंट्रिकल को घेरि कि अछि एवं सेंट्रल कैनाल ऑफ द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को घेरि कि अछि बा लाइन करिछि बा कवर करिछि ताकू हमें एदि जण कैनाल को वेंट्रिकल को और सेंट्रल कैनाल को हमें कहउछे न्यूरोसेल. So we can in simple English we can call that it is a type of cell which lines the neurocells, that is ventricles of the brain and central canal of the which called spinal cord. Okay, try to guess my dear. So this is the basic fundamental about nervous tissue.